Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to a new video. Today we're making a lemon pappardelle. I'm not the biggest fan of Parmesan and that's why I tried a lot of different options and substitutes for Parmesan. I love pecorino, but sometimes you want something different and I will show you something different. I will make a substitute out of nuts and we will create a Parmesan out of nuts. Put the nuts into a food processor and chop them up. If you don't have a food processor, give the nuts into a plastic bag and crush them with a rolling pin or hammer. Then give the crushed nuts into a bowl, then add breadcrumbs and a pinch of salt. If you want, you can add yeast flakes as well. Mix everything and put it aside. It's time to make our pappardelle. For our pappardelle we use a 00 flour, so we give 200 grams of 00 flour and 2 eggs together. We will season with a little bit of salt, then we mix and knead everything for 15 minutes. And to make a good pasta, it's kinda complicated, so let me explain you some things. There are 3 most commonly used types of flour to make pasta: all-purpose flour, semolina flour and 00 flour. Flour contains the gluten that is needed to give the pasta dough its elasticity. Most pasta recipes will recommend to use either semolina or 00 flour. 00 flour is a soft wheat flour that is perfect for baking, but due to its texture and powdery consistency, it's normally not ideal to make a softer pasta shape like tagliatelle or pappardelle. It's best for ravioli pasta. But there's one exception. When you're making an egg pasta with 00 flour, it's the best. If you want a white pasta, use semolina flour, and when you want to make an egg pasta, I would recommend to use 00 flour or a mix between the 00 flour and the semolina flour. And we will let our dough rest for 1 hour. In the time we wait for the dough, we can start our preparations for the sauce. Take an onion, peel it and cut it into fine cubes. Then we will do the garlic. Peel it, take out the middle, it's bitter and not very nice. Chop it a little bit and then take some salt. Give it over the garlic. We will break it down with the side of your knife. Just grind it down till it's fine enough. Take a lemon and peel it so you get the skin of the lemon, but don't too much because the white of the lemon is bitter. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze it. When your dough has rested, bring a pot of water to a boil. Season with salt. Attach your noodle machine on the working surface. Cut your dough into smaller pieces so it's easier to make our noodles. Take one part and give the other part into a bowl so they don't dry out. Pour some flour over the machine and on the working surface so your dough won't stick. Now give your dough through the machine on lowest settings. It will start to make a kind of oblong shape. So the way you can avoid this is once you can fold the top third down and the bottom third over that. Between every step, pour some flour over your dough. Give it 2 times through the same setting and then change it to a thinner setting. Do that till you have the optional thickness. If you don't have a noodle machine, just use a rolling pin or a bottle. You have many options. And then cut your pasta. Give again some flour over the pasta and then roll it up. Take a sharp kitchen knife and cut it into nice thick pappardelle. If you want your pasta to have a stronger color, use 5 egg yolks instead of the 2 whole eggs. First sweat the garlic for 3 minutes in some butter on small heat. After that you can add the onions, don't let them get brown. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Add lemon zest and the lemon juice to your mixture, stir everything for 3 minutes. Deglaze with white wine and let the wine boil out. Then fill the pot with some cream. Reduce the heat and when your sauce has the right consistency, add the pasta. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper and some of your favorite herbs. Like minus oregano, some dill would be nice, or parsley, whatever you want. Give your fresh homemade pappardelle in the hot water and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes till they are floating on the top and are al dente. Take them out of the water and then cool your pasta down under cold running water so they don't get too soft. Give your homemade pasta into the sauce, give it a little whisk, and now you can serve your beautiful pasta on a plate. Serve it immediately with your nut parmesan. I hope you had a great day and thank you for watching the video. I hope I see you next time and bye.